Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix reference memory cloud not be read 0x000 multiple zeros. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, go to your search bar and just type down appearance. Just like so, you'll be able to find adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. So just click on it, and in this section, go ahead and click on advanced. Now click on change. Okay. Now when it says automatically manage paging file size for all drives, make sure that this one is unticked. Okay. And then go ahead and click on custom right here. For the initial size, make sure that you use the recommended size. Okay. 4982 in my case. So I'm going to type it down right here. 4982. Maximum size 4 megabytes. Make sure that it is higher than your recommended right here. It could be 5,000 or more than or equal. Okay. I'm just going to go ahead and type down 5,000 right here and just click on set. And then once that's done, click on OK. Now it says here need to restart your computer for the changes to take effect. Click on OK and then just restart your computer. And once that's done, you should be good to go. That is how you fix reference memory could not be read. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.